friend and drilling partner Jeannie brought me home this little gem from her trip to Florida. Now, as a golf pro, I've certainly seen these many times before, but never on a pickleball court. And I was surprised at how much it helped with the volley motion as well as the ability to see the ball. If you want to know how this can help you too, stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. Who doesn't want to have faster reactions and see the ball better on the pickleball court? And today, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. But before that, if you won't mind being fast on your computer and hitting that subscribe button over here on this left-hand side, that tells YouTube that you find this content important, and it helps other people who play pickleball find this channel as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our little ball, and we're going to go from high to low. When we start out high, we're going to do it nice and soft. And there's a couple things that we do in every good volley. One of those is we've got the contact out in front of us. Our paddles are going to be, our swing is going to be very, very short. We used very little wrist, and I'm going to follow that ball all the way to the paddle. That's going to help me to get a visual, which I'll be able to take into a regular pickleball later. Okay, so we're going to start out very high and we're going very soft. If it bounces, not a big deal. Keep it up a little high. There we go. Notice your paddle angle. Watch it all the way to the paddle. Okay, let's start to bring it down just a little bit, Jeannie. We're going to get a little lower. Again, we're not trying to hit this real hard because the bigger the swing you make, the harder this is going to come back at you. You'll also notice that Jeannie and I get back to our ready position each and every time between our swings. So paddles out in front, got good contact happening. All right, let's speed it up. Short swings. I'll put a link in the show notes below so that you can find this little gem over on Amazon. If you got value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving a little thumbs up, or if you already play with a golf ball, put it down in the comments below. I'd love to know what drills you do with it, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.